Hey, how are you guys doing? This is I Am Christian here, aka Sleep Money Profit, and today we're going to be talking about exactly how you can use the TradingView app. Now, if you're new to this channel or you haven't seen my content before, I post a lot of valuable content for people that just want to better themselves in life, whether that's financially, mentally, and if you're into trading, investing, and different business ideas, hit the subscribe and bell notification. You'll actually get notified when I post a video of value for you. So without further ado, let's get straight into the video. So once you download the TradingView mobile app, all you have to do is tap the icon and it's going to bring you to your watch list. Now, if you have an account already or you want to create an account, all you have to do is press the bottom right icon that says profile and has a face on it, and it's going to bring you to a screen like this. Now, if you already have an account, you're already on the right page, but if you're trying to sign up, you want to look for the bottom sign up icon at the bottom of the screen, and you want to tap it, and it's going to bring you to a screen that's similar. But if you already have an account, you can press the same button that says sign in, and it's going to bring you to a screen. And once it brings you here, you can sign in using Google, you can sign in using Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn, Yahoo, or even iCloud, or just your regular email. So I'm going to go ahead and log in, and we're going to go ahead and get exactly into how you can use the TradingView app. So once you have created an account or logged in, it's going to bring you to your watch list. Now, this is where you'll find all of your different pairs, whether that's futures, stocks, crypto, indices, bonds, and you can actually choose a watch list and make a category, and you can separate certain pairs as well. And all I did was press the top right icon right here with the 3 bars and 3 dots, and that will bring you to the watch list setting where you can add different ones, see what you have in there. And if you press the plus icon at the top right, you'll be able to create a watch list. So I'm going to create a watch list right now. And once you create a watch list, you can actually add a symbol to the chart. Now, you can add a symbol by pressing the add symbol button, or you can press the plus sign at the top. But if you press the add symbol button, it's going to bring you to a screen like this. And if you want to add a symbol, you can type in exactly the symbol that you want to look up, or you can press the filters button and you can actually find something specific, whether that's a stock, a future, whether that's a foreign exchange currency, a cryptocurrency, an indice, whether that's bonds or economy things. And if you have a certain exchange that you want to see it from, a source that you want to see the pair from, you can tap sources and you can find one like forex.com or Oanda, and you can use specific ones as well. So I'm going to go ahead and back out of this page, and if you want to pull up your chart, you can actually press the chart button right here. Should be the second icon next to watch list. And what it's going to do is going to bring you to the chart. Now, it pulled up USD JPY, but if you actually want to change the chart that you're viewing, all you have to do is press the icon right next to where it's showing the symbol that you're already on, and you can change the symbol. So you could type in a specific pair, whether, I don't know, like XRP or maybe polka dot. There's different ones that you could type in. And you can change the chart that you're actually viewing. So for example, I'm going to change it to Ethereum versus the US dollar. And if you want to add or change the time frame that you're on, you can press the icon right here, right next to it, and you can change the time frame or interval that you're looking at. And you can also save some of these as your favorites, so that way they'll pop up exactly when you tap it. And you can remember exactly which one you were looking at, or maybe you just want quick access to the one that you want to actually look at. And if you're looking for indicators or drawings or things of that nature, you can actually press the plus symbol that is right next to the time interval symbol, It looks like a plus sign, which is right here. And you'll be able to choose the different drawings, indicators, alerts. You can compare different charts. You can pull up the financials or set templates that you want to use, or you can share a chart picture and publish an idea as well by pressing this icon. Now, if you're looking for your drawings and trend lines and Fibonacci and different tools, all you have to do is press the icon that looks like a pencil that is drawing. And once you press that, it's going to bring you to this screen. You can find your ruler, your measure, your eraser. You can lock the chart. You can find your trend lines. You can find your Gann Fibonacci here. You can find your geometric shapes. You can also find your annotations, your patterns, and prediction and measurement in this location. Now, if you're looking for the other options, which is more, all you have to do is press the icon that looks like 3 dots right here, all the way to the right, right above profile, and it's going to bring you to a screen like this. Now, this is where you'll be able to change the date range, full screen, undo, redo, maximize. You'll be able to connect your broker, change the chart type, alert management, symbol details, bar replay, layout type, object tree, chart settings, and you can also load and upload a new copy for a chart, or you could copy it, rename it, or whatever you want to do. So if you want to go to ideas or see what other traders are thinking on the TradingView app, you can press the ideas button, and it's going to be located right in the middle. It's the middle icon. And once you press it, you'll be able to see the editor's picks, maybe ones that you follow, certain stocks, or you could type in a specific pair that you want to get insight and other ideas from other traders. And if you want to look for news and get updated on news status for different symbols, all you have to do is press the news button, and it's going to bring you to the same thing. It's similar to ideas, but this is news, not chart ideas. So if you want to find the chart ideas, you want to go to ideas, and then if you want to find news, you can go to news. And as you can see, you could do all, you could go into it, you could do stocks, crypto, different currencies, and whatever you're looking for that's available on the TradingView app. Now, also, if you actually want to go back to how TradingView used to be in the old way, all you have to do is press the chart button. You can actually press switch to new toolbars and turn it off, and it'll actually bring you back to the first video that I made, and everything will look the exact same way it was before. If you actually want to get updated and notified and be alerted when I post more valuable content, all you have to do is hit the subscribe and bell notification. If this video helped you, please like this video. And if you're actually looking to make passive income or maybe get trading ideas, if you're new to trading or looking to better your trading journey, I have something for you. I'm actually a part of this exclusive community, and you can get different trade ideas. There's different softwares, and you actually get access to educators that teach on investing and also drop news and different things that a lot of people aren't aware about. So if you want that, or you want to ask me specific questions, all you have to do is go into the link in the description, and you'll find some links there for you. And this is I Am Christian, aka Sleep Money Profit, and I am tapping out.